Yo, what is up? Focus here, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the cheapest possible way to record YouTube pranks and how to get that audio, that wireless audio that you see most pranksters on YouTube, use. Okay, so I'm filming this on my phone because I've got my camera set up right here and everything, so I can show you guys just exactly what you need to do. First step is you're gonna wanna go buy one of these. It's a Monster Bluetooth adapter. Basically, it's really self-explanatory. It's a really small thing. It's pretty cool. It allows you to basically connect this into like an aux thing, like say your radio or whatever, and then you can connect your phone to it and play music or whatever wirelessly. So that got me thinking. Since my microphone, which is a Canon SX60HS, has a microphone input right there, I could plug this bad boy into there and it will work, and it will use my phone's microphone. But, I know what you're thinking. That's not gonna work. Hold on, don't get ahead of yourself. I'm gonna show you what exactly you need to do to make this work. Okay, so now that you've got the Monster Bluetooth adapter plugged into your camera, what you're gonna wanna do is go to the App Store and download an app. Okay, so once you're in the App Store, you're gonna wanna go to the search bar and type in microphone for Bluetooth. Once you've done that, the apps are gonna pop up, and you're gonna wanna tap on this app and download it. So when you open up the app, you're gonna see this, and basically what all this means is that when you cut this microphone on, the input of the microphone is it's gonna be your phone's microphone, but the output is going to be the Bluetooth receiver, this thingy. So yeah, guys, it's literally that simple. It is really that simple. The Bluetooth adapter cost me about 10 bucks, whereas some of those wireless mics that you can buy on Amazon or eBay or whatever can cost hundreds, 200. I've seen some go up to like $1,000, which is absolutely insane. So go ahead, save your money, buy a Bluetooth adapter and download the app. It's free. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more shit like this, go down there and get a little feely with that like button, and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Anyway, I'm Focus, and I'm out.